Inside factories across the world, humanoid robots are no longer prototypes. They are rolling off production lines, faster than expected. Humanoid robot mass production is shifting from hype to reality. Companies in the USA, China, and Europe are moving from lab demos to scalable manufacturing. This matters because humanoid robots are designed to work in human spaces, using our tools, walking our floors, and replacing or supporting human labor without rebuilding entire workplaces. Several players are leading this transition. Tesla's Optimus program is backed by manufacturing scale and AI expertise. China's Unitree Robotics is pushing low-cost humanoids like the G1. Figure AI in the United States is deploying general-purpose humanoids in real factories. In the UK, Ameca focuses on human-robot interaction. Advanced mobility research continues to shape future systems. Humanoid robots have evolved rapidly from basic walking prototypes into machines capable of autonomous object handling, balance recovery, and task learning through neural networks. The focus is no longer appearance, but reliability, manufacturability, and cost reduction. Modern humanoid robots combine multiple AI layers. Vision systems use cameras and depth sensors to understand 3D space. Tactile sensors enable precise gripping. Efficient actuators power movement. The robot brain is driven by vision-language action models trained on real-world data and simulations. In industry, humanoid robots are already being tested for logistics, part handling, inspection, and repetitive assembly. In warehouses, they can work safely alongside humans without cages or barriers. In healthcare and service environments, humanoid robots demonstrate reception, guidance, and customer interaction roles. Defense-related use remains limited to research, logistics, and controlled testing environments rather than combat. The United States leads in AI models, software, and investment. China leads in hardware scaling, cost control, and manufacturing speed. The UK focuses on ethics, research, and human-robot interaction. Mass production advances fastest, where AI and factories intersect. Analysts expect limited commercial deployments to grow through 2025 and 2026, with broader adoption later in the decade. Costs remain high today, but prices are projected to fall as production scales and components standardize. Humanoid robots still face challenges. Battery life limits work hours. Reliability must meet strict safety standards. Job displacement